Welcome to Shire River, one of Africa's most majestic and life-giving waterways. Flowing through the heart of Malawi and Mozambique, the Shire River is a source of wonder, a symbol of hope, and a lifeline for millions of people. The Shire River begins its journey at Lake Malawi, one of the deepest lakes in Africa. From here, it flows for over 400 kilometers, passing through large forests, fertile valleys, and bustling towns. Along the way, the Shire River is joined by several tributaries including Ro River, the Mwanza River, and the Likangala River. It also features several breathtaking waterfalls, including the Kapichira Falls and the Chikala Falls. The Shire River is not just a natural wonder, but also a vital source of energy and water for irrigation. The Shire River also supports a thriving fishing industry, with many communities relying on the river for their livelihood. The river's fertile valleys and deltas are also home for a variety of crops including maize, sugarcane, and tobacco. The Shire River and its surrounding wetlands are home to a stunning array of wildlife including hippos, crocodiles, and over 400 species of birds. The river also flows through several national parks and game reserves, including the Luonde National Park and the Majete Wildlife Reserve. For the people living along the Shire River, the river is more than just a source of water and energy. It's a way of life. Many communities rely on the river for fishing, irrigation, and transportation, and the river plays a vital role in their cultural and spiritual practices. As the Shire River flows into the Zambezi River, it becomes part of a larger story, a story of connection, of community, and of incredible natural beauty of Africa. Join us next time as we explore more of continent's hidden wonders.